Okay. Here we got a Wish.com item. I know we're always interested about, is it 1 inch big? Is it 30 feet big? Is it what it says? It'd take 30 years to get there. Alright, what I ordered was a first aid medic little bag for $5.94. $2 shipping. It took about, can't remember. Here we go. It's actually looks like a little mini book bag. So, here we go. It's actually not too bad of a size. I have this other little cheap first aid kit. Look at it. Not terrible. Molly straps. A lot of Velcro. Okay, I see how that's good. Alright, and then this flips out. Couple of pouches, straps, more Velcro straps, another pouch, a big pouch, couple items. Honestly, for under $6, or I guess under $8 total, it's a nice little pouch for my bug out bag. Wish.com. It took about 4 weeks to get here. It said 2 months, but I got it in 4 weeks. So, read the reviews. Alright. See you next time.